Have you ever gone to a post office and needed to speak English? Maybe you wanted to send a package. Maybe you needed to buy stamps. Or maybe you wanted to track a delivery. Many English learners feel nervous in this situation. But today, you will practice real conversations used at a post office. You will hear slow English, clear pronunciation, and useful phrases. Stay until the end for a listening challenge. Let's start. Vocabulary practice.
Listen and repeat. Post office, stamp, envelope, package, parcel, mailbox, delivery, tracking number, address, express shipping, standard shipping, postage. Now repeat again. Stamp, package, address, delivery, tracking number. Great. Now let's hear these words in real conversations.
Buying stamps.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I would like to buy some stamps.
Of course. Are the stamps for letters or packages?
They are for letters.
Are the letters local or international?
They are local letters.
Okay. How many stamps do you need?
I think I need 5 stamps.
5 stamps will cost $5.
That sounds good.
Would you like anything else today?
Actually, yes. Can I also buy 2 envelopes?
Of course. Here are 2 envelopes.
Thank you. That will be very helpful.
Your total is $7.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Here are your stamps and envelopes.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Listening practice. Listen again carefully.
I would like to buy some stamps.
How many stamps do you need?
I need 5 stamps.
Now repeat after me. I would like to buy stamps. How many stamps do you need? I need 5 stamps. Excellent.
Sending a package.
Hello again.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I need to send this package.
Sure. Where would you like to send it?
I want to send it to Canada.
Is this package fragile?
No, it is not fragile.
Okay. Do you want express shipping or standard shipping?
What is the difference?
Express shipping arrives in 2 or 3 days.
That sounds fast.
Standard shipping takes about 7 to 10 days.
I see.
Express shipping is more expensive.
I think standard shipping is fine.
No problem. Please write the address here.
Okay, let me write it.
Make sure the postal code is correct.
Yes, I will check it.
Thank you. Now I will weigh the package.
Is it heavy?
Not too heavy. The shipping cost is $12.
That is okay.
Your package will arrive in about 1 week.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Listening challenge. Where is Adam sending the package? Think for a moment.
Asking about delivery time.
Hello. I have a question.
Sure. What would you like to know?
How long does delivery take?
It depends on the shipping type.
Can you explain the different options?
Yes, of course. Express shipping usually takes 2 to 3 days.
That sounds fast.
Priority shipping takes about 4 to 5 days.
And what about standard shipping?
Standard shipping takes about 1 week.
I see.
Express shipping is the fastest option.
But it is probably more expensive.
Yes, it is more expensive.
I think I will choose express shipping this time.
That is a good choice if you need fast delivery.
Yes, the package is important.
I understand.
Tracking a package.
Hello. I want to track my package.
Do you have the tracking number?
Yes, I have it here.
Great. Let me check the system.
Thank you.
1 moment, please.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I found your package.
Where is it now?
It is currently in transit.
What does that mean?
It means the package is moving between cities.
I see.
According to the system, it will arrive tomorrow.
That is great news.
Would you like me to send you a tracking email?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Please write your email address here.
Done.
Perfect.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Sending an international letter.
Hello. I want to send a letter overseas.
Of course. Where are you sending it?
I am sending it to the United Kingdom.
Please place the letter on the scale.
Okay.
The letter is light.
That is good.
You need 2 international stamps.
How much do they cost?
2 stamps cost $4.
That is fine.
Would you like tracking for the letter?
Is tracking available?
Yes, but it costs extra.
I think normal delivery is fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your letter will arrive in about 10 days.
Perfect.
Address problem.
Hello. I think I made a mistake.
What happened?
I think I wrote the wrong address on the package.
Let me take a look.
Thank you.
I see the problem.
What is wrong?
The zip code is missing.
Oh, I forgot to add it.
That happens sometimes.
Can I write it now?
Yes, please write it here.
Okay, I added the zip code.
Perfect.
Is everything correct now?
Yes, the address is complete.
Great.
Your package is ready to send.
Thank you very much.
Master listening.
Now listen to the full conversation.
Hello, I want to send a package to Canada.
Do you want express shipping or standard shipping?
Express shipping. How long does it take?
2 to 3 days. Here is your tracking number.
Question: how long does express shipping take? Tips to improve listening skills. Tip 1. Listen without subtitles. Try listening once without subtitles. Your brain will focus more on sounds and pronunciation. This improves natural listening ability. Tip 2. Repeat the dialogue. Pause after each sentence and repeat it. Example: I want to send a package. Repeat it 3 times. This improves both listening and speaking. Tip 3. Shadowing technique. Shadowing means repeating immediately after the speaker. Listen to the sentence and say it at the same time. This is a powerful technique used by language learners. Tip 4. Focus on context. Even if you don't understand every word, focus on the situation. Example: post office, package, delivery. Your brain will understand the conversation faster. Tip 5. Practice every day. Listening improves with daily practice. Even 10 minutes a day can improve your English dramatically. Consistency is more important than long study sessions. Great job today! Now you understand many common English conversations used at a post office. You learned how to buy stamps, send packages, ask about delivery time, and track a package. If this lesson helped you, please support the channel. Like this video, subscribe to improve, share this lesson with a friend, and comment, "I am improving my English." In the next lesson, we will practice English at the salon. See you in the next real-life English listening video.